Do you often feel anxious and stressed? If yes, then today I will reveal a simple technique that can change your life. Just 5 minutes every night, and your subconscious mind will pave the way for your success. So watch the video till the end, and if you find it valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. A long time ago, a young disciple approached his guru with a question. "Master, how do you always remain so peaceful and happy?" The guru smiled and said, "Do you truly wish to know?" "Yes, Master. Please teach me." The guru said, "Your mind is divided into two parts, the conscious and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind works when you're awake, but the subconscious mind controls your emotions, habits, and beliefs. Whatever thoughts you repeat often, they become a part of your reality." The guru said, "Right before sleep, your subconscious mind is at its most powerful state. Whatever you think before sleeping gets deeply embedded in your subconscious mind. So, every night before sleeping, repeat these 5 affirmations. I am letting go of all my worries. My mind is filled with peace and happiness. I forgive myself and others. I am worthy of achieving my dreams. I am becoming a better person every day." The disciple's life transforms. The disciple followed the master's advice and started practicing this every night. Within a few weeks, he noticed his worries disappearing. He began feeling more confident, happy, and at peace. The guru smiled and said, "See, when you give the right instructions to your subconscious mind, your life starts to transform." Now it's your turn. Start this practice tonight and witness your life transforming. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share, and subscribe. And if you're ready to fill your subconscious mind with positivity, comment below. I am ready for success. Thank you. Remember, your thoughts create your reality.